US has announced a diplomatic boycott of the Beijing 2022 Winter Olympics in China, a move that has been heavily criticized by Beijing. The White House said no official delegation would be sent to the Games because of concerns about China's human rights record. But it said US athletes could attend and would have the government's full support. After the decision of United States, Australia, Canada, United Kingdom, and some other countries also followed the suit and decided to boycott Beijing Olympic Games. Despite the China side's argument that government officials are not invited to the Games, high-level government representatives from the US and other countries are usually present at Olympic Games. Earlier this year, First Lady Jill Biden led the US delegation at the Summer Olympics held in Tokyo. On Chinese social media platform Weibo, the search topic US diplomatic boycott of Beijing Winter Olympics has been censored as of Tuesday morning. Most of the comments below a post and announcement by state media outlet Global Times were also deleted, leaving only 8 comments untouched out of close to 1,500 comments. What China has been doing by dismissing the boycott as irrelevant is only to try to take the sting out of this preemptively. In an unfortunate accident, an Indian Air Force helicopter carrying Chief of Defense Staff General Bipin Rawat crashed near Kannur in Tamil Nadu on Wednesday afternoon. A total of 14 people were on board, of which CDS General Bipin Rawat, his wife, and 11 others have died in the chopper crash. Indian Air Force confirmed the news of General Bipin Rawat's passing away via their Twitter handle. As the news of passing away of Chief Defense Staff was confirmed, East Turkestan government in exile offered their condolences. East Turkestan government in exile posted on its Twitter account that, on behalf of East Turkestan, we send our deepest condolences to our dear neighbors in the Republic of India for their unfortunate losses. We pray for the swift recovery of all the injured. Stay strong, India. Prime Minister Salih Hudayar also offered his condolences on his personal account, saying, "Our deepest condolences to India on its unfortunate loss of its military leader and staff. Our prayer and friendship is with India. We are hopeful that India will remain strong and continue CDS General Bipin Rawat's mission to confront the strategic threat posed by China."